Yeah, I'm leaving.
You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.
Hak jing Bhah Kam yaki Myntri Baper hak Sarkar Meghalaya. U Conrad kongkal sangma, u balong u Myntri rang ba kejela. Ulabat halade katanat Cabinet Affairs, katanat Pelatangka ke Forest but Environment, Home Political Planning, Investment, Promotion and Sustainable Development, Mining but Geology, Election, Personal but Administrative Reform, Program Implementation but Evaluation, Information Technology but Communication but kiwai pat kitanat kibam shimla pen kamti ha kinu ki Menteri Sarkar. Kiarngot kisambut Menteri Rangba kibakentup Bah Prestone tensong, ulayo ban kami ia katanat Home Police, PWD Roads but Building, District Council Affairs but Parliamentary Affairs, kadba uba senyau halang dhar, ulayo ban kami ia katanat Kampen Roysor, Transport, Commerce but Industries, katanat Prison but Correctional Service. Uba AL Heg ulayo ban kami ia katanat Animal Husbandry but Veterinary, Fisheries, Printing but Stationery but Secretariat Administration. Dr. Amprin Lingdo iliyo ban kami ia katanat Kokot Kakya, katanat Law, Information but Public Relations, katanat Karep Karyang, but uba apoleng do apat ulayo ban kami ia katanat Social Welfare, katanat Jengok Kai Perthai, ka Arts and Culture but Textiles. Uba coming one embon ulayo ban kami ia katanat Food, Civil Supplies but Consumer Affairs, Water Resources, Home Civil Defence and Home Guards but katanat Cooperation. U80 Mandal ulasya ban syat ban kami ia katanat penmi boarding, Community and Rural Development but Taxation, kadba uba kermenchela ulayo ban kami ia katanat Excise, Revenue and Disaster Management, Legal Metrology but Home Passport. Marquis and Marak ulayo ban kami ia katanat Public Health Engineering, Housing, Soil and Water Conservation, kadba Rakam Sangma ulayo ban kami ia katanat Puli Putih, ka General Administration but Border Area Development. Kadba uba Shakliar Warjeri ulayo ban kami ia katanat Sports but Youth Affairs, Labour, Registration but Stamp.
Yeah, all of that will be looked into. We are trying to ensure that we are trying to balance things out. I think balancing is very important. And at the same time, it's also seeing the overall, individuals' experience, as you said in the past, and the works and the interest maybe they have. It's not always the easiest thing to do, and it's not always that everything will go according to anybody's personal desires or wish. We'll have to take the team along, and we have to take what is in the best interest of the state. And so therefore, keeping the interest of the state and balancing out the entire work of the government is what is going to be the main criteria. We will see when the time comes. We will discuss this matter. But yes, obviously the representation of the NPP in the cabinet is maybe not as much as one would want it to be, because as you said, the numbers are large. But as I said, we have certain circumstances under which we have to work, and we'll have to sometimes make adjustments, and that's what we have done. But we will definitely explore the option of that also in the future.